Welcome to the EPA's Water Quality Exchange video series, tutorial number 1, Introduction to the Water Quality Exchange. This tutorial will introduce you to EPA's data systems for uploading, storing, and publishing your ambient water quality monitoring data, and will cover the Water Quality Exchange, or WQX, the Water Quality Portal, or WQP, the Water Quality Exchange Web Interface, or WQXweb, and the Central Data Exchange, or CDX. Organizations collecting water quality monitoring data which need or would like to make their data available to EPA and the public can upload data through the Water Quality Exchange, or WQX. EPA's Water Quality Exchange accepts multiple types of monitoring data, like physical chemical measurements, fish tissue concentration, biological data, and habitat data. You will often hear the term WQX used, although people are not always referring to the same thing. They can be referencing either the system and database that house ambient water quality data, or they can be referencing the format the data needs to be in order to fit into this database. For the purposes of this video series, we will be referring to the Water Quality Exchange data system when we use the WQX acronym. While WQX is the pathway to submit water quality monitoring data to the EPA, the way for anyone to retrieve data from the EPA is through the Water Quality Portal. The Water Quality Portal, commonly referred to as the WQP, is a central location for accessing water monitoring data from multiple agencies, and is a cooperative service sponsored by the USGS, the EPA, and the National Water Quality Monitoring Council. It is an excellent resource and can be found at waterqualitydata.gov. EPA provides data partners with two alternative methods to submit their data: an automated computer-to-computer connection via something called the Exchange Network, or a manual process through the WQXweb application user interface. The Exchange Network is EPA's national communication, data, and services platform, which provides a database-to-database link for states, tribes, territories, and other partners to share data with EPA securely over the Internet. Setting up a system to submit via the Exchange Network requires a heavy investment of time and energy, and is most appropriate for agencies with large amounts of data which need to be submitted regularly. This video series will focus almost entirely on how to submit data through WQXweb, which is the better option for intermittent submitters or smaller agencies. For more information on how to utilize the Exchange Network for data submission, see our website at www.epa.gov/storeit in the Custom Upload section under the Upload Data tab. The WQXweb application contains a user interface where you can upload and submit data to the WQX database. When utilizing WQXweb, you can do one of two things: either input your data into the WQX template and upload your data in the standard way, or you can keep your data in its original format, making sure to incorporate all required WQX metadata elements, and then upload your data using custom import configurations. The option you choose depends on many factors. Another tutorial in the WQX video series will address how to format your data and use import configurations to submit to WQXweb. In order to submit to WQX, you first have to set up an account and gain access to WQXweb through EPA's Central Data Exchange, or CDX. CDX serves as a gateway to verify your identity and allow you access to EPA's various web applications like WQXweb. You, as a data submitter, need to establish an account with login credentials, create an organization ID or ensure one is already in existence, and then contact the StorET help desk to gain submittal rights for that organization. Another tutorial in the WQX video series will address how to establish a CDX account. To summarize what we just presented, EPA maintains a database of water quality monitoring data. EPA, in collaboration with other federal agencies, states, and tribes, make water quality monitoring data available through the Water Quality Portal. There are two main ways to upload data to WQX: through the Exchange Network or WQXweb, and data providers need to establish an account in the Central Data Exchange to be able to submit to WQXweb. This concludes our tutorial. If you have further questions or comments,